Students, today we will learn about the algebraic identities. So this is the part 3 of chapter number 2, polynomials. So algebraic identities we are learning from class 8th. So let's start from here. First algebraic identities is x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So actually algebraic identities used to make the computation easy. Like suppose we take example x plus 3 multiply x plus 3. This is factor form, x plus 3 multiply x plus 3. Now we have to find expanded form. Find expanded form. So to find expanded form, there are the easy method that you multiply bracket with other bracket. This is general method. But by using this identity, we can do this question very easily. So x plus 3 or x plus 3 can be written as x plus 3 whole square, and by using identity, x plus y whole square equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy, we use this identity in this question. So x plus 3 whole square means x square plus 3 square plus 2 multiply x multiply 3. X square will be as it is, plus 3 square 9 plus 2 into 3 6x. So you can see we have found it here x plus 3 whole square by using this identity very easily. So let's see next second identity. X minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. X minus y whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So again we take a question to understand this identity. Suppose we are finding t minus 5 multiply t minus 5. So t minus 5 we have to find expanded form. So to find expanded form, we write this as t minus 5 whole square. So t minus 5 whole square by using identity x minus y whole square equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So what is x here? Here x is equals to t, and what is y? Y is 5. So we use this identity here. So we can do here x square means t square, x square means t square minus 2 into x, x is t multiply y, y is 5 plus y square 5 square. T square is equals to, so t square minus 2 5s are 10 t plus 5 5s are 25. So this is the expanded form of the given t minus 5 whole square. So you can see here by using these two identities we can find expanded form of given factor form very easily. Now we will understand how to find factor form of expanded form by using this identity. X square plus 25 plus 10x. Suppose this is a polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial. We have to find factor form. So to find factor form, we will observe this question and we will think about that which identity we have to use. So you can see here x square, we can change it like this, x square plus 25 5 square plus 10x. So 2 into x into 5. Let's check 5 to the 10x. So you can see this is the identity by using identity x square plus 2xy plus y square is equals to x plus y square. First identity we are using this identity. So question is given in this expanded form. This is called expanded form, and this is called factor form. This is called factor form. So now we will change this expanded form to factor form. So what is here? Here x is equals to x and y equals to 5. So we will write in this form. So we write x plus 5 whole square. So this is called factor form. You can write also like this. So this is also factor form. So we have changed expanded form to factor form. Now we will discuss about the third identity. X square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. Example like 100 square minus 4 square. 100 square minus 4 square. We have to find this by using identity. So we write here 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4. We write is 100 plus 4 and 100 minus 4 by using identity x square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. So 100 plus 4, 104, 100 minus 4, 96. So this will be multiply 104 multiply 96. $9,984. So by using this identity we have done the calculation also very easily. Now we will understand more identities. Next identity is x plus a, x plus b. Fourth identity x plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus x a plus b plus ab. So this is the fourth identity, x plus a bracket multiply x plus b is equals to x square plus x plus a plus b in bracket plus ab. So how can we use this identity to solve the calculations? Suppose question is 105 multiply 106. So we have to find this multiplication by using identity. So what we do, we write 105 is 100 plus 5, 100 plus 5 and 106 as 100 plus 6. Now we compare with this identity. So here x is 100. What is a? A is 5. And what is b? B is 6. So we use this identity. We will convert this in this form. So this will be x square. X square means 100 square plus x. X is 100 bracket a plus b. 5 plus 6 a plus b, 5 plus 6 plus a into b, 5 into 6. 100 square 10,000, 100, 5 into 5 plus 6 11, 1100 plus 5 6 30. So this will be 10,000, 11,100, 11,130. So this is the answer. So you can see here we have used fourth identity x plus a, x plus b in to solve the calculation very easily. Now we will learn about the next identities. Let's take one more example to understand better. (25/4) x square minus y square upon 9. So how can we find the factor form of this identity, of this question? Factorize. The question is factorize. You have to factorize this given polynomial. So you can see by observe this question, we can guess that which identity we will use here. We will use here third identity, which is x square minus y square is equals to x plus y, x minus y. So here by comparing x is equals to 25/4. First of all we will convert in whole square, so 5/2 x whole square minus y/3 whole square. So here x is equals to 5/2 x and y is equals to y/3, just indicator. So we will convert in this form, we will write in this form. So x plus y, x plus y means this plus this. So 5/2 x plus y/3 bracket x minus y. So x minus y means 5/2 x minus y/3. So you can see this is factor form. So by using the identity we have used, we can find here factor form. Let's see more examples, more identities. Now we will discuss about the cube identities, which is fifth identity, like x plus y whole cube. So x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy plus x plus y. X plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. Let's take one example to understand this question. 3a plus 4b whole cube, and write the expanded form. Write in expanded form. So how can we find expanded form for 3a plus 4b whole cube? So first we compare with identity. So here x is here, by comparing x is 3a, x is 3a. What is y? Y is 4b. So we will convert in the expanded form, equals to x cube. X cube means 3a whole cube plus y cube. Y cube means 4b whole cube plus 3xy. X means 3a, y means 4b bracket x plus y, 3a plus 4b. Now just we simplify. 3 cube 27, a cube plus 4 cube 64, b cube plus 3 3 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, a b and bracket 3a plus 4b. So this is the expanded form of the given factor form. So this was the fifth identity. Now we will take sixth identity, which is x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. So here you can see x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy bracket x minus y. So if you want to learn very easily, you can see change the plus sign to minus sign, and the rest of identity is same. So we can use, we learn very easily. Now we will take a question to understand this identity. Suppose we want to find 999 whole cube, 999 whole cube. So what we write? This will write 1000 minus 1 whole cube. 1000 minus 1 whole cube. So what is when you compare with this identity here x is equals to 1000 and y equals to 1. So now we will use this identity. So here x cube means 1000 cube minus y cube, y is 1 cube, minus 3 into x is 1000, and multiply by y is 1000 minus 1. So let's see here, this will be 1000 okay, so right, minus 1 minus 3000 multiply 999. So just by simplification, by solving this one, minus 1 minus 3 multiply by this one, 3 9s are 27, 2 29, 2 3 9s are 27, 29, and triple zeros. So the final answer will be 997002999. So you can see here we have find the 999 cube by using this identity. Let's see other identities. Square identities. X plus y plus z whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Three variables whole square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Let's take an example. Like 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. We have to factorize this expanded form. Factorize. So first we observe this one. Here are three variables which is square form, and there is 2xy form. So first of all we have to change this form into this form. So x square means 2x whole square plus y square. Y square means, here you can see simple y square. So it will be same, z square same. Now you can see here minus and here is plus. So one of them may be here negative. So here is 2 negative, so it will be y negative. So why we have to take negative here. So minus plus 2 into x is 2x and y is minus y. Okay, y is minus y. Again minus 2yz, so y is negative, so because of y negative it become negative. So my plus 2 into, we are changing in this form, plus 2y, y is minus y and z is z, plus 2zx, z is same, x is 2x. So here we mention x is 2x, y is minus y and z is z. So we use identity we write in x plus y plus z form. So x is 2x plus y is minus y plus z is z. So we just simplify this one, 2x minus y plus z whole square. So this is the factor form. So you have to just here set the question in the form of identities, RHS form, or according to question and the identity we have to identify the variables, what is the exact variables, and then we have to change the in LHS form. So this was the use of our identity x plus y plus z whole square. Now we will take our last identity, which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is our last identity. Whenever the question in this form, expanded form in this form, then we can write this in the factor form. So let's take example. 8x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz, and we have to factorize. So first of all we have to see the question very carefully, and we have to think that which identity we have to use. So we see here there are three variables with cube, so we and one variable, one term is with minus xyz. So the last identity will be used, that one, this one. So we check here, we compare variables. First of all we will make in the whole cube. So 2x whole cube plus y cube plus 3z whole cube minus 18xyz. Now we compare the variables. So here x is 2x, y is y, z is 3z. Now we'll write in the factor form. So we follow the RHS side of identity. So here we write identity again, so we can understand easy. I am writing identity again. Yes. Now we will, our question in this form, we have compared the variable. Now we will put the variable in this form. So here x is 2x plus y is y plus z is 3z, x square 2x square, 2x square means 4x square plus y square plus z square 3z square 9z square minus x into y. X into y means 2xy, 2x into y plus 2xy we can write minus yz, we can see yz, y into 3z, so 3yz minus zx means this one, 3z multiply 2x, 3z multiply 2x. So this will be 3 to the 6 zx, 6zx. So this is the factor form. This is the factor form of our question. So we have covered all the identities in this class, and we have understood how to solve the questions by using identity. So do practice to understand better. Thank you.